morning. Ryan from Dog Adventure Japan. We're off to another adventure today. This time we're going up into the mountains of Middle Izu, Nishizu, to look at this really nice place. It's not too far; it's about an hour from here, so it's not gonna be an issue. I don't want to make this too long of an intro. It's cold again, always, but it's only 0, so that's okay. So we're gonna get ready. We got most of the stuff is done already, but we're gonna go and on our way. Let's get started. Well, we just pulled up. It's a tad bit windy, so I probably won't be able to do some drone shots. I'll try, but this wind, I don't know. I do have the Mini 2, which is supposed to be more stable in the wind, but it's a little bit breezy. I'll try to get some drone shots if I can. We're here. It looks very nice. It's going to be about an hour hike, maybe. There's some different areas you can go to. Put the map up. Yeah, right here. So we're gonna go take a little hike, see what it is. This trailhead's gonna start right here, and so we're gonna get going.
down an empty freeway. No waiting, hard to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
Well, we just arrived here at the Monkey Bay, down in South Izu City. As you can see behind me, and the message going on here it has, from what I've heard, only 2 languages so far, English and Japanese, and warning it up. We just bought tickets for here to go down there. It is open. I guess you could walk in it, but I guess that would be extremely rude. We bought 2 tickets to go see it. It is a little expensive. Adults are 1,200 yen each. But we're gonna go down there and take a look at it, because it didn't really show up on my radar. I didn't really know about it actually in this area, but there's some reviews up on Google Maps. Try it out to see where it is. Let's go down and take a look at it, okay? Let's go. Down here now, I would recommend actually coming here. Be surprised. There is a lot of monkeys around here. You can get pretty close to it. The staff members are cautious. They're making sure that everything's safe. There's a little building inside there. I'll run the clip right now. You can see, the kind of progression between, great apes to human, the Homo sapiens. It's in there. It's interesting. You can buy some little food, bring 300 yen. So on top of the 1,200 yen you got to buy, so 1,500 yen. I'd say it's worth it. The views are pretty good. The staff member seems really nice. You can see the coastline and stuff too. It's extremely beautiful. Personally, I think it's worth it. Come down. It's not a place you're gonna stay for a very long time, but you'll get to see, the beautiful nature, the beautiful sea in the Bay Area, and then also you get to see, these monkeys that are actually, I think, only located in this area of the Izu area and stuff too. So, come down, come take a look at it. I'll actually put the link down there in the description and stuff too. You can click on it, Google Maps it, and it'll bring you right down here, okay? Anyways, we're gonna go back up the coast again, so let's get going. We're gonna go back up and have some fun, okay? Stay tuned, like it, subscribe, bye. Quick stop at Yusuge Park. It's on Google Map too. It shows up. It doesn't show up many reviews. Sorry, the wind is bad. The mic's not gonna probably pick up very well because the wind is blowing right off the sea and stuff too. But it's very beautiful. The scenes are fantastic. We're gonna take a hike up mountains and take a look at the scenes and stuff too. Don't know if I can get the drone out. The wind is a little bit tough, so let's go take a look and let's go take a walk up there.